Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. His Excellency Mr. Saqib Nisar, Chief Justice of Pakistan. As we noted here in United Arab Emirates, we got to know that, alhamdulillah, mashallah, Pakistan having a very honorable Chief Justice at the Supreme Court of Pakistan. I am not feeling comfortable here due to your countryman who cheated and damaged me financially status a lot, and this regards I tried several times to launch natural GIT or any other team who can provide about that. I am having against a few and a very close political partners of Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister. Although I had a talk several times with Imran Khan, but all the time he was unable to give me my justice. And unfortunately some people contacted me, but I found most of they are useless or supported or this who cheated me. Moreover, once Mr. Sabar Shakir of ARY was in contact with me, who said that he will settle my dispute accordingly, but unfortunately also he damaged me 1 million dirhams, and that I have a proof and money trail. But sir, here I come to let you know who was the main person who cheated and damaged me more than 40 million dirhams in different occasions, and I have all the witnesses and proof I can provide with black and white. The first Mr. E'ظam Khan Swathi, who is also in your national streamline of the Pakistani media due to his same act that I am talking about since a long. Here I request you to provide the platform where I can prove about my point of view against him that damaged my personal life and vigorously. Mr. Chief of Justice, you are an honor man. Please consider me as a human being who is having that right to ask overall, because all this who cheated me are from your country and from your nation, and spoiling your country name and to put bad image for Jamhuriyat Pakistan and to trust and having a relationship family wise, and they are spoiling a long relationship which one your fathers, which one they built it. So second person I want to mention Mr. Adnan Sikandar Zada Khan, who is the relative of Parvez Khattak, and I have a lot of evidence and a lot of money trail which one I provided him for the investment, and marhum his father was a very good friend, like I told you in my conversation, that all they're spoiling the name of humanity. I invested with him and he's supposed to give me the justice against you. Please try to fill me, because he was having his planning and against to try to cheat me. Therefore, I honored Mr. Chief Justice of Pakistan. Please provide me the safe and secure platform so that I am ready to meet and face any type of investigation and proofs regarding what I'm talking about. Further details and proofs of all persons will be provided disposal according to. Best regards, good luck, and thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. God bless you, Jazakallah, and Pakistan and UAE, all the relationship what we have. And best regards from me, Hussein Sajwani, and I'm providing you also my telephone number 009715075755354. Thank you, and forgive Allah everybody. Jazakallah.